Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I am continuing work on this Stern Trident pinball machine, and I've come across another problem that I want to kind of point out, which is a common situation with a lot of these games, and that is stuck flippers. So hit the flippers and what? One of them sticks up. What's up with that? The left flipper is stuck up. So what is causing that? Is it an electrical problem or is it a mechanical problem? We don't really, do we know? Here's one way you can tell. Is that electrical or is that mechanical? The easiest way to tell is flip it and then turn the power off. If the power goes off and it stays up like that, it's a mechanical problem, it's not an electrical problem. If the flipper stays up and when you turn the power off it drops down, it's most likely an electrical problem. That could mean probably your flipper leaf switches are fatigued, and when you press the button it stays closed and it doesn't separate quickly enough. That could be it. It could be other electrical problems, but since we hit it and it went up and it stayed up, and then when I turned the power off it didn't reset, we know it's mechanical. So what's the issue here is we need to rebuild this flipper. There's some non-smoothness in the flipper plunger assembly on the underside of this. We'll clean it and we'll lubricate everything, and we'll check the spring tension on the flipper to make it come back, and we'll probably fix that. So that's going to be a mechanical problem. So that's a quick little trick if you've got a flipper sticking to find out what the cause is and how do you fix it. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com, and until next time, thanks for watching.